Okay, let's go through today. I started trading pre-market because it's been a little less volatile. We got a big dump order here. It was kind of a flash, what I call a flash order, where it flashed down. So I waited for the pullback and I sold here on this green bar. And then it didn't really go anywhere. It went down a little bit and it rejected this bar. So I actually got out for a small profit. And then this bar dumped. And then when we came back up here, we got this rejection bar. I got back in and I got a good 20 points out of that. I should have stayed in longer, obviously, but you don't really ever know. So I took my 20 points. That was on 5 contracts. So I was up $2,000 there. So after that, I started trading 1 contract lots. I was not going to go long once we had this down move here. I was going to keep shorting. I took a short right here off this rejection bar here, and I caught 10 points right there on 1 contract. I actually went short here and got stopped out. And then on the pullback of this bar here, I went short and got 10 points. And then we pulled back up to this little order block bar here, and I went short again and got another 10 points. And then once we got over here, I knew we were going to go up here. There's an order block here. This little spinning top here, the market likes to come back to these, especially since we had a big flush order here. So the market needed to come back up here to balance. The market makers were way out of balance when this flush order came in. So we had to come back up here for them to balance. When we got in here and we got this rejection bar here, I actually went long. It's the only long trade I made today. And then it flashed up here, took everybody out, and then it looks like we're probably done going up for now anyway. So the bottom line for today was 37.05. There were a few more small losing trades here and there, and a few more small winners. I was pretty much in sync with the market, so I traded a little more than I normally do today. I probably made 15 trades, which is way more than I would normally make, but I had a pretty good feel for what we were doing, and most of that was one contract trades. I was just trying to protect the money I'd already made. So 37.05 before commissions is what we ended up with today. It was been a good week so far. We've got some big economic news tomorrow, so we'll see what happens.